Hello everyone, this is Shraddha from our education with the latest updates. New 10 times more infectious coronavirus strain found in Malaysia. Malaysia has come across new 10 times more infectious coronavirus strain in mutation TG14G. This mutation has been detected in minimum 3 of the 45 cases reported in a cluster. The mutation began from a restaurant owner who returned from India and violated 14-day quarantine norm. The Malaysian government has sentenced him to 5-month imprisonment with a fine. Crater captured by Chandrayaan-2 on moon named after Vikram Sarabhai. ISRO recently released the image of a crater on moon that was captured by Chandrayaan-2. The crater has been named after Indian astrophysicist Vikram Sarabhai to mark his birth centenary. The image of Sarabhai crater was captured through the Terrain Mapping Camera 2 TMC-2. COVID vaccine. Corona warriors to be first to get coronavirus vaccine in India. In India, corona warriors will be the first to get vaccinated against the novel coronavirus once the vaccine gets launched. The information was shared by Ashwin Kumar Chaubey, Minister of State for Health. At present, 3 COVID vaccines are being tested in India at different stages. Russia has launched first coronavirus vaccine named Sputnik V in the world. Music legend Pandit Jasraj dies at 90. Music legend Pandit Jasraj died away on August 17, 2020 in New Jersey, the United States. He was 90. In his 80-year-long career, Pandit Jasraj was bestowed with numerous honors including Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. The reason of his death is yet unknown. Ex-cricketer and UP Minister Chetan Chauhan passes away. Former cricketer and Uttar Pradesh Minister of Sainik Welfare, Home Guards and Civil Security Chetan Chauhan passed away on August 16, 2020 due to COVID-19 complications. He was 73. Chauhan was a Minister of Legislative Assembly from Naugaon Sadat constituency and served twice as a Member of Parliament. The National Sports Award Committee has recommended the names of cricketer Rohit Sharma, table tennis champion Manika Batra, Paralympian Maripant Thagovalia and wrestler Vinesh Fogart for the prestigious Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurating the first ever World Solar Technology Summit on September 8, 2020. The summit is being organized by the International Solar Alliance on a virtual platform. Goa Governor Satyapal Malik was on August 18, 2020 appointed as the Governor of Meghalaya, replacing Tathgata Roy, who completed his 5-year tenure on the gubernatorial post. Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari has been asked to discharge the duties of Goa government. In addition to his duties, started the Rashtrapati Bhavan communique. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will announce the result of Swachh Survekshan 2020 on August 20, 2020. This is the 5th edition of Annual Cleanliness Survey of the country. Under Swachh Survekshan 2020, a total of 129 awards will be confirmed to the top performing cities and states in the program titled Swachh Mahotsav. The Indian Institute of Technology Madras has retained its top rank in the list of top innovative educational institute in India for the second consecutive year. The institute was ranked number 1 in the Atal ranking of institutions on innovation achievements, released by Vice President Venkaiah Naidu in a virtual event on August 18, 2020. Israel and UAE have inaugurated direct telephone services between the two countries following their agreement on historic peace deal brokered by United States. The foreign ministers of the two nations called on each and exchanged greetings. The President of the European Council, Charles Michel, has called for an emergency summit of EU on August 19, 2020 to discuss the situation arising out of the Belarus president elections. These were some of the updates. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video.